ACCA F9 Financial Management has a famous saying, the more you let your money work for you, the less you have to work for money. This is Ahmed Shafi, the Executive Director and ACCA F9 Financial Management Tutor at Mirchawala's. I have 15 years experience of teaching this subject, and I have invested 100 plus hours in designing a financial management course which will teach you how to let your money work for you. Our course is not only just lectures, it is a complete package in which we teach the core aspects of financial management. After that, we practice each and every past paper question in the class because we believe past paper practice is the key to success. Then we take test after every topic, we take mock in the end, and we have a dedicated query support team which answers students' queries. The depth of the syllabus and the course coverage is quite wonderful, which is evident that Mirchawala's holds the record of most number of consecutive nationwide and worldwide positions secured in ACCA F9 financial management exams. All these packages are available on our own design specific learning management system LMS. If you want to see our demo class, you can always view the demo on this page. The demos are available in English as well as Urdu Hindi language. If you want to know anything about the course further, you can drop a message to me or the administration, and if you want to enroll in this course, you can enroll via administration, via me, or via this website. So if you want to ace the financial management exam in first attempt and learn how to let money work for you, do join Mirchawala's. Thank you.